Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. With the iOS 18 update, you can now change or remove these shortcut buttons from the lock screen. This is great news and thanks to Apple, because you can relate to the annoying experience of accidentally turning on the flashlight while your phone is in your pocket. Additionally, with the iPhone 16, now you have a dedicated camera control button on the side, which allows you to launch the camera directly from the lock screen and making the shortcut button redundant. Now let me show you how to change or remove the shortcut buttons from the lock screen. Tap and hold on the lock screen to put it on edit mode. Now tap on customize and lock screen. Now this will give you the ability to remove these shortcut buttons. Just tap on these delete buttons to remove them. Once you have removed, now in order for you to add a shortcut, you need to tap on this plus button. Just tap. Here you will find a lot of shortcut options. At the top you will find control center related buttons, and down here ambient music, Apple Intelligence and Siri. You also get buttons from third-party apps and connectivity and many more as you scroll down. So here you need to select which shortcut to be added. Let's say I want to add calculator, and the shortcut is added. If you don't want any shortcut, you can just leave it as it is. Now tap done and the changes will be saved. As you can now see, I only get the calculator shortcut button on the left side, and there's no shortcut button on the right side because I removed it. So that's how you change or remove the shortcut buttons from the lock screen. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next video.